A child doesn't know any different other than what they see and what they experience. And Harmony has given children an opportunity to experience something different and something that feels different. Harmony Project has validated children's talent, a talent that they may have not recognized within themselves. I've gone to city council in Los Angeles and been in committee meetings about gang prevention and intervention. I definitely see this as a gang prevention intervention program. You learn how to play an instrument, but you also learn about leadership. Learning how to play an instrument translates into success. It translates into an opportunity for them to go into a high school, into college or university. And I think that for our families and our community, that's a dream. And that's a dream come true.